Today, we will cover how to use the Schools in Alberta page on the ALICE website. If you need extra time as you follow along, you can pause this video at any point. On the ALICE homepage, look for the Education section in the main menu at the top of the screen. On mobile, you'll have to press the menu for the drop-down. Once you have the drop-down, click Education and then tap Schools in Alberta from the drop-down menu. You'll be directed to the Schools in Alberta page, where you can find information about different schools across the province. On the right pane of your screen on desktop, you will see the list of schools. On the left, you will see a keyword search bar. On mobile, the keyword search bar is under the hamburger menu. Tap the icon to access these filters. Type in the name of a school or a specific location like a city or town and press enter. If you don't use the search bar, you can scroll down to see a list of schools. When you find a school you're interested in, click the drop-down to view all the available programs. If you click on the school's name, this will take you to a detailed page about that school, including information like the address, contact details, and the programs offered. To go back to the list of schools, simply click the back button on your browser or navigate back using the menu. If you're looking for specific types of schools, like a vocational or a specialized program, use the Filter tab on the left side of the screen. By following these steps, anyone can easily navigate the Schools in Alberta page on the ALICE website to find the information they need. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, email us at alice.info@gov.ab.ca.